Test, test. There we go. Awesome. See. What's up? Hold on, let me. Can you guys hear me? Okay. I think we should be good now. Let's see, it's kind of echoing a little bit. Hey, Christian, can you hear me? Okay, bro. It's kind of low. So, it's really low. Yeah. Oh, actually, it could be. Oh, the def. Okay, it's good. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, you need a t-shirt. Oh, alright. You're good. Alright, awesome, awesome, awesome. Alright, man. So it's 9:06. Awesome. Let me go ahead and pull up the news real quick. But how are you guys doing today? Um. Awesome, awesome. But yeah, how are you guys doing today? Um, how's your day? I had a pretty productive day today, so everything's good. Life's good. It's Monday. The markets are open. So let's see. Let me look at my news. Let's see what we got today. See, so no news until tonight. Uh, see, 3 a.m. So we should be in the clear for that. Um, what major pairs are you guys looking today? Um, because I think today should be good. The train. I did a little bit. Nothing was really happening for me for New York, so I didn't really trade much. Actually, I didn't even trade at all. Um, so it's oh, let's see. So we're looking at USD CAD. You're on a daily, okay? Trading right now. Let's look on a daily real quick. See what you got. Okay. So what was your price? Um, what was your price? Did you get in up here, or what's going on? Let's see, that should be good. So USD CAD on a daily. But yeah, I mean, did you get in like right here? Getting up here? What's going on? 'Cause probably be like right here. I would say. Um, here with the trend line. Okay. Let's see. So yeah, I mean, definitely. Like I said, um, I would say from yesterday, it's gonna go up to at least at 1.34042, and definitely that's our zone up there too. So um I would say this is a pretty strong zone. As we're talking right here, how at somewhat is making a head and shoulders something, because right here I would say it's where there's a lot of movement right here, um, where the price came up, went back down, came up again with Jack, and then broke through, came back down, and then it's been testing at this, at this price right here. So I mean, definitely, this is actually pulling up to it. So again, if you want to be safe and definitely getting put up, because if you think about it, USD CAD is still, one of the pair that's most trade. It's 17%. Yesterday was 16%. Um, so I mean, it's pretty popular. Again, going back to how how to trade like the 5% is, observe the mass and do the opposite. You can see that a lot of people are selling. You might even be looking at one final push to the zone and then go down from there. But um, so. But yeah, I mean, what is your guys' bias on it? What is your goal for USD CAD? How many pips you trying to catch? So on, or even if you're swing trading, day trade, like whatever you're doing, let me know. What's your either like what's your style, so we can work together. Cause I mean, if I know what you're planning, I can definitely help you. Um, see. So swing trade. Um, so what do you have? What is your take profit? Or how many pips you trying to catch? Go, Ollie, go. So say looking at your USD. Um, hmm, look at your USD real quick. I actually been looking at that lately for scalping. So let's see. I can definitely drop my zone right here. Um, why is it doing this zone right there? It's definitely zone right there. Um, so we'll see. I mean, I would say it could definitely keep going down. So what's up, Oscar? How you doing, brother? Um, but yeah, like for your USD, you're looking to go long on your USD around 1.08394. Let me mark that up for you real quick. See where that is. So see 08394. Then okay. Okay. So we're looking at on the 4 hour. Okay, so you're looking at to come down a little bit more. Okay. Yeah, I mean for me, I definitely see that, I would rather for it to come down a little bit more. Even like if it comes down to here to hit the zone or even down here. So I mean, if anything, Um, it's definitely because if you think about it, if you go um to my FX book right there, it's 47% of people are trading this pair right now. I mean that's not everybody, but that's still a lot of people. And that's um let's see, 38,000 people are going for buy as of right now. So that you can I mean, for me, I would definitely wait to see either get in for the retest, or just wait for it to come down to either down here or down to here. So because, like, again, going back to our zone, um, this is where I see, I mean, like, at that point, you letting the market comes to you. When, because if you think about it, the momentum of it is pushing down right now, and I mean, like, I guess it's like trying to push up, but I feel like, if we have, let's see if we have any news. So we have news for tonight. Um, and then see on Wednesday. Okay, so we got one news, and then another news on at 10:30. So and then pressing it. Okay, so I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how that one goes. Um, yeah. So definitely, be cautious of that, because, that right there might be tricking a lot of people, because, okay, yeah, I see it's going down and down and down, but then, then they look, okay, does they have, more room to go down even more? So, um, but, again, just be cautious when you're trading, Euro USD. So, see, you're just actually, let me go back to look at USD CAD real quick. Um, oh wait, hold on. Dang it. USD CAD. But yeah, for this, I feel like it's gonna keep going up to here. Maybe it'll respect this. Let's see, where's this trend line going to? So, I don't know where trend line is coming from. But okay, I got it. It's right here. This right here. So again, if it break, then I would say either come up here or stay up here, or and if you respect it, then you can definitely see a sell from that. But again, you know, be careful when you're shredding this period too, because like, if I know back a couple weeks ago, I was going for a sell. I think it was USD CAT that it kept rising and rising, and then and blow a lot of people account. Um, let's see. I really want to see. I'm not sure what day it was, but it was in September. That's for sure. It was in around September. Maybe even like right here. How if you look on 1 hour. Let's see. See. Could have been. Could have been. Oh, this right here. Okay, this right here. Um. So I think, yeah, we're looking at right here. How, like, okay, so we're looking at this, and then there was a zone. Everything was good, and then it kept pushing up, and then it finally dropped down. Like, I think it was like around like 4. I'm not sure. Also, it was 8. Okay. So then it went back up again, dropped back down, went back up again, and then dropped back down. So I mean, definitely it's been messing with a lot of people, because and more than anything is patient. Because, yeah, obviously, you see the zone, you're expecting it to go down right away, but then again, you're not counting the the pullbacks, the news that fakes out, and everything that that could go against you. So like, if I know that a lot of people over leverage account whenever this happened, right? Like, whenever it push up right here, and then this right here again. So again, every time you trade, definitely. have two or three backup plan of a different scenario of like what could happen. Um, you know, say if you look for so like this right here. Let me turn this off. Yeah, I can't see nothing right here. Nope, not that one. There you go. So again, this has been moving sideways, so that's why I haven't really been touching um your AUD. So let's see. Let me close this. Actually, let me change this thing real quick. I can't say anything out of this. So there you go. That's a lot better. Um, there you go. And I don't need that. Okay. So now, again, if you've been following this pair, it dropped last week, and now it's been going down, and then it's finally reversing a little bit, but again, it's been moving sideways more than anything, for the last couple of days, I would say. Um, I think it started since last week. I think around it dropped it on Wednesday, I think. Um, Actually, no, it dropped right here, consolidate for all day, and then drop down again. I think it was on Sunday. Actually, no, Friday night, Friday morning. I'm sorry, Friday morning. So definitely, it's been like I said, been going sideways. If actually I can draw a trend line right here. Oh, okay. I might be seeing something here. So what? Let's see. What is your bias on Euro AUD actually? Because again, if this respected, then we might see the uptrend from here. Again, it's been moving sideways for um, see for the whole week. I guess yeah, 5 days. About 5 days and a half. So like I said, be cautious of what when you're trading this. I guess actually right now because you know with everything that's going on around the world, definitely everything going on around the world definitely affect the forex market, and if you're aware of the earthquake in Japan, it was like I think the earthquake was like 6.5 or 6.6, and GPJ probably dropped, and here I'll show you real quick. Um, we actually um I was watching it whenever that happened, which is uh, what y'all heard? Um, um, I want to say this right here. I'm not sure. Um, hold on. I'm gonna look at on a 1 hour real quick because there was like yeah, this right here. So this one, two, three. So yeah, it was this drop right here. Um, either this one or that one, and then obviously it's been going crazy since then. So yeah, it's the market is going crazy. Again, if you want to keep up with with everything that's happening, definitely look at the forex factory or go on Bloomberg. Actually, I just got introduced to this website like 2 3 weeks ago. So definitely been helping a lot. If you want to see what everything's happening, just go to for whatever pair you trade. Millionaire of Thailand, Red Bull. Oh, okay, cool. So Thailand. Okay, that's what's up. Let's see. If you want to know anything about, the whole, if you trade GPJPY, go do some research on the in the Asia like Japan, everything, like whatever you can do to be aware of, or like what's the next event, the big event that's happening, because some, like let's say like someone, like this. Like if they had like a conference or like anything, like to speaks, whatever, and if it like somewhere where, you know, people doesn't like what they're saying, or if they're gonna go to war and this and that, that pair, or let's say GPJPY skyrocket because everything's going good, or whatever it is, like for example, like the earthquake, so again, be aware of what's happening around the world, or just a pair that you trade, it's really good to be aware of that. um let's see. I want to I want to look at this real quick, because again, it's definitely been going sideways for it's been going up and down. It's definitely the market doesn't really know what it wants to do right now. Um, so let me go to my 4 hours one. So definitely this big drop was good. Um, So we might, so this, since our RSI is down here, I feel like we could definitely get it up to the 65 or the 75 area. So which means that this will put it at right here. So, and if it comes to 38.2, then we could definitely see where it makes this either head and shoulder right here, which is where this is at. This will be our left shoulder. Okay. This can be our head. And then this, if it comes up again, then, or this might be the retest where it comes up to here and then drops down from there. Then we might be able to see that, because if this drop and then, I would say the dollar, um, will go up. So let's see what it's been doing. Um, continues to go sideways. Again, it's I was, my bias on this is that it, definitely will keep going up. Um, so again, AUDSD will keep going down. So yeah, like we're looking at right here. Um, we'll see, because if anything, this up here could wick it and then goes down, and then it can go from there. Um, But yeah, that's my bias on AUD. So if this goes down, this has to go up. So again, it will make sense, because um, if this, respect this trend line, then we could definitely see an uptrend from there. So what I'm saying. So this, like I said, it's been consolidating. It's been consolidating. So, I mean, yeah, you can definitely catch some pips here and there, but it's pretty much for me. I would definitely say I would be, gambling at that point. So let's see. Let me go. So, but yeah, any pairs do you guys want me to look at? I can definitely look it up for you guys real quick. Um, I'm gonna go ahead. Let's see. I'm gonna pull up. Scan it real quick. Oh man, my jaw hurt. So if we're looking at, let's see, what's the most recent one? Let's see, USD JPY. Oh wow, dang. You see this? The scanner caught that. It's crazy. You got a tray? Oh, you and your juice box. Let's see, CAD JPY. Um, okay. Are you? Okay, I'm gonna look at that real quick. CAD JPY. Let's see, CAD JPY. Definitely been. So this has been going up, came back down, past this, back up. Um, I would say for the swing tray of, or like, if you want to get in, um, mm, let me drop my zone real quick. I wanna. What's up? What's up, Kevin? What's good, brother? But yeah, definitely it. I would say this is zone right here, there, and then I'm gonna draw my Fibonacci's. So the 6 point is up there. 38.2 is up here. So, and then see the EMA is about to cross. So let me look on the scanner real quick to see what we got. USDJPY. Okay. Oh dang. Okay, so it's going back up to hit take profit one. Got this right here. So I call it up here. So it dropped, came back down to retest. And you can get in, at this right here if you want to. So, and then it's gonna work its way down. So, how big was it? I I knew it. But yeah, the scanner definitely called it. That was gonna go down, and it did, and then went back down, come back up. Like I said, if let's see, um, where's the Fibonacci's at? Okay, dang. So on the Fibonacci's, 61.8 is up here. Okay, so yeah, I mean, definitely, um, I would my bias on this would be on be for a sell. Let me go to see, hold on. Nope, not that one. Let me go to the committee outlook, and then let's look at CAD JPY. So, um, definitely, um, a lot of people are going 62% of people are going short. Not a lot of people are trading this right now, so we should be good. Um, but since we're waiting for it to come up here, so we're definitely, um, yeah, definitely, we got about, it's a lot. Hold on. What time frame am I looking at? 60 at JPY. So yeah, I mean we're looking at about 10 pips. So yeah, that's where I would put my fail limit at. So what's the lamp? No, I just. Oh no, that's good. I was like, wait, there's no lamp here. Oh, okay. But let's see. So EST. So yeah, I mean it's definitely pushing up, pushing down. So yeah, I mean I'm looking for this to again to respect this, and then go up from there. Again, if it breaks and it breaks, and then we can definitely get it back, get in for a retest on that one. But again, um, this would make sense if this goes up and this would come down. So let me go to. It's addictive. um, oh man, but dude, I swear someone punched me in the face when I was sleeping. Like my jaw hurt so bad. I don't know, man. Justin, that was you. You punched me there. He slapped me. No, stop playing. Oh man. So yeah, that's again, that's my bias on it. Like again, it would make sense why it would do that. So definitely have another push up, and then this right here is about a cross. So everything's good. It's the 38.2 is from up here to down here, and then the let's see where to go, and then it was the 61.8 from up here to down there. So that is your bias. That's my bias on CADJPY. So, but yeah, I know any other pairs you guys want me to look at, I can definitely look at for you real quick. Or if you have any strategy that you've been having questions about, definitely let me know. Um, so, but oh, why did it do that? See, I forgot I was gonna look at something for you guys today. Let me I'm trying to find this article that I was reading it up today. Um, find it. Nope, not this one. Alright, yeah. What- anyway, back testing. Um, so for back testing, I mean, it's just really, okay, so for example, I'm gonna go to your JPY, okay? Your JPY. Not yours. Let's see. So if you go to what a daily, it should be a head and shoulder over here somewhere. Hold on. See, not sure what that is. Hold on. So, I mean, it's just like for back testing, pretty much just go over your mistakes. If let's just say if you blow your account, go back to see what did you do wrong. Um, you know, draw up your zone, and because like for me, I use a lot of like trend lines, um, zone, everything. Just mess around. See where like for this way, I'll connect this to this, and then end up connecting to this point right here, which is what led up to now of this could be the left shoulder, this could be the right shoulder, anything. Pretty much just like another game plan that you can do. Um, like if you lost it, like okay, what pair do you trade? So I can go to it and show you. I can help you mark it up. See, this could go up again. Look at the dollar. Wait, DXY. So okay, so it's jumping right now. Could it make this right here? Let's see. Euro AUD. Okay. Um back testing. Okay. So I mean again, what um when was the last time you trade? Were you trading right here? It was that like so again, like let me know. Because if you trading this right here, again, going back to looking at um, a UDSD because this two pair runs the opposite from each other. So, if this makes sense here, this has to make sense up here too. So, this last three, okay, that's fine. So, you know, and this is the same thing, of like what I do, you know, again, like see if it makes sense right here. If you draw the trend line and you can see, okay, so if this respected, okay, what is it gonna do? It's gonna go up. So that's the same thing as this. It doesn't have more, doesn't have more room to go up and then hit the trend line or the your Fibonacci's, and like once you go back to here, so you see that this went up, came back down, went back up again. This is where it's kind of doing the same thing because again it went back, this went up, came back down, and then went back up again. We might see where it'll just respect this right here and then go down, or just right there, make it smaller. So then it might even come up to here, which is where the 38.2, and then go down from there. But then this one might have to come down, wick it a little bit, and then go up from there. This week I have almost perfect call for my. Okay. U GP USD. So, and then your entries. Hold on. Let me go to 1 hour. Um. Okay. 1.224. Okay. So, and then I'm sure you were buying. So last week. So this way I have most perfect. Oh, a sale. Okay, a sale. Um, let's see. Last week. What day did you trade that? Let's see. Was it right here? See, a sale. Um, so the line's up there. Let's see. What's yeah, oh, what's IE? Today at six. Using recent high. Okay, gotcha. I don't know if I can get at the high low here near. Well, definitely not that one. Well, that's weird. Okay, so you got in at maybe right here. Let's see for sale. I'm gonna delete that because I don't like that right there. But yeah, I mean, um, say 61.8, 61.8. So right around here, um, on the 24th. Oh, okay. So you got in right here, I bet. Um, okay. So I mean that's a pretty good entry. I mean, if you got it like right here, I'm not sure where you marking up your 61.8. That's your Fibonacci. So um, what price did you? Hold on. This is exact. Let's see. DC. It was a USD CAD. What happened on USD CAD? Send me a send me a chart real quick, bro. Let's see. Look at USD CAD real quick. What did that? What happened? Oh yeah, yeah, this right here. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, this is pretty sketchy right here. Not really sure what it's trying to do. Um, so again, if yeah, honestly, like USD cat, I have no idea what it's doing right now. This is really unstable. If, that whenever this happens, I usually stay away from the market. So, um, definitely not where I want to be at that moment because, again, it could do anything after this. So, um, it could keep going up, or it could come up here, retest, and then go down from there. So, um, but let's see. After that huge version that happened, I thought it was gonna keep going up. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it's kind of just stop right there and then just, consolidate. If you take your Bollinger, definitely it's trying to go down from there. But again, definitely broke through the 38.2, and then the 61.8 is all the way up here. But I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna make it up there. Um, but what I can say is that I want to see this go up to here first before it even start going down. So I would say, definitely I would for me, I'm staying off of USD CAD if anything. Um, you know, because again, if you want this to keep going down, it has to build momentum of for it to come down again. So again, just be cautious what when you're trading, popular pairs, you um, you can either like they scalp it or swing trade, but whatever you can do, like it's there's risk involved in it, so definitely going for. Wait for news tomorrow. Is there? Let's see. Hold on. Let me look at news. Tomorrow. So you looking for the? But this is only news for. So the only news tonight is at 3 a.m. So and then other than that, it's for New York. Definitely. What thing he's gonna do now? It looks like it's gonna start over. Maybe big spike up. Um. I mean, like to be honest, like I haven't really been trading GPUSD lately. But my bias right now is that definitely from here to there, it's definitely been pushing up. Um, but other than that, the momentum of it is pushing down. So I would say, having like another like push and then we might see where, it even goes to here at the 38.2 and then come down from there. Or, it might even come up to the 61.8. Pretty much, your entry is really based off of your for me, I base my entry off of Fibonacci. So um but definitely it's trying to push. It's been going up. Um, where's the other? So yeah, I mean, let's see, unless it move up 1,000 to the next 1,000 pips. Oh yeah, I mean, again, yeah, definitely. Because I mean, lately, it's been trying to push up, and then it's keep getting pushed back down again. Then after this news happened, um, you know, the, if you go if you go to where so this was Brexit right here. So definitely, it's been definitely been trying to push up. if you look on a daily, it's definitely taking a break right now. So see, but yeah, definitely. I would say overall, let's see. I mean, this has been the lowest I've ever been in a long time. So um, I mean, actually, yeah, this has been the lowest. So I mean, yeah, definitely, if you can go for a buy and just leave it for the long term and catch 1,000 pips or whatever you want to do. It's I mean the your chance is definitely there because again, it's been the lowest it's ever been. Hey, did you punch me last night? My jaw hurts really bad. Well, like you trying to like wake me up or something, bro. It feels pretty tight right here. Like, yo, like all day, bro. Like, yo, my jaw hurts so bad. USD JPY. Um, this like USD JPY. Let me look real quick. So it's been pushing down. Um, okay, it's at it. I think it's at its major quarter right now. So definitely. Um, checked off of that. Let's see. So it broke through this trend line right here. So it might even like trying to go up to the our major quarter. Um, so that right there would be pretty strong. This up here would be a really strong um zone. So because of hold on, let's show you guys real quick. We go to the daily. So we're looking at this right here, okay, where there's a lot of this pretty strong zone right here. So again, it's definitely, if it were to keep going down, it would, it would respect this trend line right here. So again, I really feel like it's gonna go up to here, um, hit this, either go up to the 61.8 or, go to up to just this zone up here, and R6. So, but yeah, I mean, I think it's gonna keep pushing up. About 88 pips. So I mean, yeah, definitely. I wouldn't sell it right now just because it's again, going back to using this right here. There's a lot of people are selling right now, so definitely, be patient right for this pair, bro. Look at this fed though, bro. Look at this fed. Hmm. So what are you seeing it going up to? Looking at your chart right now. Do you think it's gonna go up to 105.00, or do you think it's gonna keep going up past that? So, see 105. So right here. Again, you know, let's see. Yeah, I think it's gonna go a little bit past that. I'm looking at, you know, about 90 pips for it to go up before it's gonna start going down. I like again, like for the serious divergence. Um, what happened once we get there? I mean, definitely, I would say on the sell. Definitely at 105.392. Oh man, y'all heard. But yeah, I think it's gonna come back down a little bit, retest, and then go up, and then go down from there. So I mean, other than that, that's really my bias on USD JPY. I feel like it's definitely gonna fake a lot of people out. Um, I don't see it going past. Yeah, for sure, definitely. I mean that would be if anything it could have wake up about. I don't think it's gonna wake up 83 pips. So I mean, again, a lot of people um been selling this a lot. Um, it's right here. So definitely a lot of people. Actually, a lot of people see. Yeah, so definitely sell, sell, sell. 19% of people are trading uh USDJPY right now. So yeah, again, whenever you're trading a popular pair, definitely be cautious of fake outs and anything. So, but yeah, you guys have any more questions for me? I don't see much pulling up. Yeah, exactly, exactly. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna go past that either. But like I said, worst case scenario, like whenever you're trading, for me, at least I have at least two scenario of what could happen. So I already have my game plan. So you do for and what? Hey, should we host a webinar for New York? You are? Um, I might because at 7 o'clock I'm gonna be trading with my one of my students. So I'll see if I'll see what I can do. I'll definitely let you know around like 6:30. So um I'll definitely send out. Actually, I'm pretty sure. Hold on, let me check your. Let me check this group real quick. See if I need to add you. So group. Okay, cool. So I'll just send it to the group chat and at 6:30. If I do decide, actually no, like I would say 7:20. I'll send it out because I'm gonna talk to my student, see if he wants to merge in, and and then again I'll let you guys know if anything. So perfect, perfect, perfect. So yeah. But anyway, I mean, that's pretty much um my bias on USD JPY and then AUD USD and Euro AUD. So all right, perfect. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it tonight. Again, you guys have a great night trading. Be safe, be cautious. Be aware of what you're doing, and you should be good from there. So you guys, again, have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow.